Good day. The date today is 21st of December 2022. It's a Wednesday and the time now is 1:26 p.m. Welcome to Purchase Rationale. Purchase Rationale provides 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. However, I must put a disclaimer before this that whatever sharing is done here is purely for information and education. Should you make a decision to buy any of the discussion that I've made, please first consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. The stock we are going to discuss today is SCGM. All right. And the stock code is 7247. SCGM, stock code 7247. All right. Let's get to the fundamental analysis first. As usual, we will calculate the intrinsic value. To calculate intrinsic value for SCGM, we divide the enterprise value divide by the total common shares outstanding. So the enterprise value is 201.45 million divided by total common shares outstanding of 192.56 million. And this gives us intrinsic value of 1 ringgit and 5 cents. And the market price that SCGM is doing today at the close of the midday is 55 cents. So you have almost a 50% discount here. Okay, in terms of cent is $1.05 minus 0.55. So you have a discount of 50 cent. 50 cent. All right, 50 cent. And in terms of percentage, it is 50 cent divided by 0.55. That is about 90% discount. Wow. uh, 90% discount. So you are buying at a very, very good and attractive discount. Okay, let's continue. I think we do not have to discuss whether it has to cover the premium. It already did because we are already buying a discount. Anyway, the operating earning yield margin is 7.2%. It has an operating margin of about 14%. It has a ROIC of 13.17% and a PE ratio of only 3.8. So if we are going to discuss the magic formula, the magic formula is about 4. All right. So it's a very, very good price you are buying. ROIC divided by the PE ratio, all right, about 4 times. 4 times 3, 12. Yes, 4 times. All right. And the price earning ratio forward is 58, meaning there are plenty of room for the price action or the price candlestick to go up going forward. And the enterprise value, that is the my favorite acquirers multiple, is only 8.96 or 9. As long as it is below 10, it is good for me. It has a dividend yield of 2.85 and a payout ratio, dividend payout ratio of 40%. Free cash flow 24.12 million. uh, Free cash flow margin 6.63. That means for every dollar of sales, they have about 6.6% of excess cash. However, it has a net debt of about 55.4 million, meaning either two things, that they are raising their cash. Even though that the cash flow is positive, that means they are raising the cash either by borrowing or by debt. All right. So as long as they are using other people's money, in this case the bank's borrowing, for growing the business or spending in capex, I guess it should be okay to have some net. It is called OPM, other people's money. Okay. Bad debt minus 1.28 million. Oh, looks like they are recovering some debt from previous bad accounts. Okay. And Poitrosty F score, meaning the performance deliverance on profit is 7, which is excellent. The Altman Z score, no problem. No chances of getting bankrupt in the next 2 years. Z score of 4.22 against the normal of 2.5. And a Binish M score, whether they massage or manipulate the accounts. Also no, minus 2.5 is the normal. In this case, SCGM is minus 3.32. So overall, I would say fundamentally this is a good investable stock. All right. Okay. How about the sentiment? Okay. For sentiment, let's take a look at the chart. Okay. Trend wise, there are higher lows. One, two, three, four. Four higher lows. So there is definitely a trend going. But if we go by our new method of analysis, if you look at the purple square here, this is actually what I call an integrated golden cross. All right, meaning the 21, the red line crosses over the green line, which is the MA55. It also crosses over the much earlier, it crosses over the 144 line over here, and also crosses over the 233 line, which shows that this is already in a bullish mode. Okay, so confirm trend, no problem. uh Momentum wise, candlestick is already above the cloud. And if you look at our new method of assessing, actually from this point on, the ROC, rate of change, has been above the zero line, and it kept above the zero line all the way. Okay, there was a correction, and subsequently it bounces off the cloud, and now it is heading towards apex wave 5. Wave 5. Let's take a look. Where is 5 in this case? Okay, wave 5 here. So we cast our, hold on. We cast our target price at wave 5, at the apex of wave 5. Okay. So momentum wise, not an issue, and you can see that actually the rate of change has already breached the above the zero line, and it is heading forward. In this case, there is actually a squeeze breakout over here at this candlestick. So this is basically a entry strategy called the squeeze breakout. All right. And it is riding on the wave from 4 to 5. That means it is on the final wave of Ilio wave, and it is heading towards the target at the apex of wave 5. So if you buy SCGM at the closing price at the midday today at say 55 cent, with a target profit of 71 cent, and a cut loss of 49 cents, you will get a reward to risk ratio of 2.52. Excellent. Anything above 2 is good for me, and I fully recommend that. Okay. Volume wise, it has not really, okay, it has encouraging volume throughout the last 2 months, but it has not very much great volume. So it has not achieved what I call the bias intact situation yet, but volume is growing. Anyway, the price is ascending despite the volume being low. So what we need now is basically volume breakout together with a price breakout. Then we will see SCGM heading towards our target price of 71 cents. Okay, so if you find the suggestion of this trading idea is informational and educational, please like, share, and subscribe. If you share and subscribe, it helps the channel to grow and also allow others who might be interested to learn about this particular stock and also to watch the video as well. Thank you for listening and also for your precious time. You have a good day. And hi, my name is Eddie C. I'm the author of Trend Following Metrics. Please allow me to introduce to you my latest book release. In this book, we explore trend following metrics and its advantages so you may decide if it fits your investing style. Trend following is a trading style that tries to catch the longer trends in the market and ride them for as long as possible. Its advantages are in trend following, you catch trends from the very beginning. Your entries and exits don't need to be that exact. Trend following don't take away much of your time. You enjoy lower transactional costs relative to day trading. You detect and cut your losses early. I personally recommend the book Trend Following Metrics should you want to deepen your learning about trend following. And I encourage you to read this book. In launching the book Trend Following Metrics, I have a book promotion fair called Read to Improve from the 19th December till January 31st next year. Excuse me. Should you use the discount code TIF Thailand, India, Finland, TIF Thailand, India, Finland, you are entitled to buy any two books from my Trend is Friends books collection at only 45 ringgit. Grab this offer while it lasts. Thank you for listening to my commercial, and I hope to see you then. Thank you and bye bye.